everybody. Depth Sense here. 5:50 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday, July 3rd, 2012. Looking at telecast here, we have the Continental Radar View turned on. We'll also turn on the National Weather Service alerts and Titan storm tracking. Now you can see all these blue boxes. That is computer detection of hail. So this means about 3/4 of the United States is under some kind of severe weather. Let's just get right into it, start naming some towns and states to watch. First off the bat, up here in the north, Montana going north to Saskatoon, Canada, west into Alberta, south of Edmonton, northeast of Calgary. We have strong cell thunderstorm warnings and watches issued by the Canadian Service, and one tornado warning southeast of Saskatoon heading east-northeast. The storm is counterclockwise rotating, so be aware if you live south of Saskatoon, in between Saskatoon and Regina, that this is very strong and going to carry on for the next several hours. Now there's a line of hail going south through Montana. Again, the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings and watches, and that's all heading east-northeast. Now as we go south from there, in Colorado, also going up into western Nebraska, extending south through the entire state of New Mexico, and even going west into Arizona, extending south of the border down here in Mexico, and then east into West Texas. Hail detected strong cell thunderstorms. Those are heading west-northwest, east-northeast, and north. Now across Texas and East Texas, we have strong cell thunderstorms, damaging winds, and hail detected. Also Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, also South and North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia. It also looks like Baltimore, Maryland, New York, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and eventually the East Coast states as well. That would be New Hampshire, Vermont, also Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and even down here to Delaware. So be aware that's all going on right now and will carry on for the next few hours. It's 5:50 right now, which means we still have a few more hours of sunlight to carry on with. National Weather Service does have a severe thunderstorm warning issued right here east of Detroit, and that's going southeast across the lake. Now, due north from there, we have tornado warnings and watches issued by the Canadian Service south of Hudson Bay, and those are heading east-southeast, may eventually get towards Montreal directly. We'll have to watch that, okay? So have a plan and be prepared, folks. That's 3/4 of the country. I'm going to go ahead and name all those states down below in the description box. And if you get any confirmation stories on this hail or any possible tornadoes, damaging winds damage, go ahead and put it down below this video. Have a plan and be prepared.